My top 5 hikes of 2025. Number 5 is Moore Woods, which has been on my bucket list for a while because I've wanted to see the beautiful trees, and I'm so glad I finally got out there. Skyline Trail was phenomenal, especially with the meadows flowering. It was a simply beautiful hike. Number 3 is my favorite park in Maryland, Swallow Falls State Park, and when you do the loop there, you get the best waterfall views. At number 2 is Puerto Rican hike, Playa Tamarindo, which I absolutely love, and we saw so many birds this time. At number 1 is probably the best hike I've ever done in my life. With 4,000 feet of elevation, we ended up hiking up to the glacier where we got to touch it. Share your favorite 2025 hike in the comments, follow for more.